In our last class, I think we have completed square and square root. Yes. Now today's topic is cubes and cube root. Take out your books and copies and write it down. First of all, I will explain what is cubes. Okay. For this, I have take some examples. Write it down quickly, okay? Now we start how to solve cubes, okay? There are some examples that I have taken. First of all, you have to write 3 in 3 times. How much times? 3 times. Then what will? It is shown as this, okay? Then after we will multiply it. 3 into 3, 9. Say your answer. 3 into 3, 9. And 9 into 3, that is 27. And our answer is 27. Is it clear? Okay. Then in this sum, minus 2, we will write how much times? How many times? Then when minus in of odd times. Which times? Odd times. Then minus will come in your answer. Is it clear na? I have told you in previous classes that minus in odd power will come answer in minus, and minus in even power will come answer in positive. Is it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what will be the answer of this question? Minus 8. Then in fractions, when we solve this, we have to write it 3 times. Yes or no? Then what will be the answer of this question? Tell me. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8 by 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Is it clear? सभी को understood है ना? Yes or no? Then solve it 3 questions. Can I rub this? Okay. In this fraction, first of all, we have to arrange it in improper fraction. Then what will come? 5 1 ja 5 and 3 will be added in this. Then how much it will? 8 by 5 ka cube. Then we have to write it how many times? 3 times. Then minus 5 minus 8 by 5 into minus 8 by 5 into minus 8 by 5, and can you change this question? No. Okay. We are studying cubes and cube roots. Yes or no? Then what will come? 8 into 8 into 8. That is 512 in minus na? Why? Because there are minus present in odd times. Okay. And what will come in denominator? 125. Then how we will solve this one? 0.7 ka cube. 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. Is it clear? Okay. Then first of all, 7 into 7 into 7. How much it will be? 343. Then after we will count point after decimal. ठीक है? Place of after decimal, that is of 3. Then what will we will do it? Count from the last. There are 3 digits after decimal. Is it clear? Okay. हिंदी में बोल दे 0.7 का क्यूब है तो 0.7 इंटू 0.7 इंटू 0.7। डेसिमल को भूल के हम लोग पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, दैट इज हमारा टर्म क्या बनेगा 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 7। तो क्या आएगा आंसर 343। उसके बाद हम डेसिमल के बाद प्लेसेस को एक बार काउंट करें तो डेसिमल के बाद यहाँ एक प्लेस है, यहाँ भी एक प्लेस है, यहाँ भी एक प्लेस है, तो टोटल डेसिमल के बाद कितने प्लेसेस हैं 3 प्लेसेस। तो लास्ट से हम 3 प्लेसेस के पहले क्या पॉइंट आउट करेंगे डेसिमल। किसी को कोई दिक्कत? अंडरस्टूड? ओके। देन लास्ट वन इज 0.11 इंटू 0.11 इंटू माइनस 0.11। इज इट क्लियर? इज इट विजिबल सर? ओके। देन लोग क्या करेंगे डेसिमल के बाद प्लेसेस को काउंट करेंगे। हाउ मेनी प्लेसेस आर देयर 6, लेकिन हमारा आंसर तो 4 डिजिट्स में है, तो जनरली जितना डिजिट कम पड़ेगा पहले हम लोग उतना 0 प्लेस करेंगे, उसके बाद डेसिमल को प्लेस करेंगे और उसके आगे कुछ नहीं है तो 0। अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ क्यूब्स। ओके, राइट इट, विल रब इट। In this answer minus will carry here na, yes or no? Why? Because minus are of odd times. Is it clear? Okay. Then come to cube root. What is perfect cube? If any number comes, any same number come 3 times, how many times? Come 3 times, then it will comes out as single term. Yes or no? This is the concept of cube root. For example, when we take cube root of 343, first of all we have to factor it. Okay, and which part of factor? Prime factorization. Understood? Is this divisible by 2? No. 7. Good. Then when we divide it by 7, how many times it will come? 49 times. After that it will also divisible by 7 in how many times? 7 times. And 7 is divisible by 7, it is in 1 time. Okay, then we will write it as cube root of these factors. Okay, 7 into 7 into 7. Then this same term is multiplied in how many times? 3 times. Then it will come as single term, that is 7, and this will be your answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Pratigya? Okay. Then solve it. Then solve this question. Is it divisible by 2 na? Is it divisible by 2? How many times? 256. Then how many times? 128. Then 64. Then yes? Okay. First of all we have to write this cube root. How many factors? There are 9 factors. Then you have to write all the factors. Okay, is it correct na? Okay, then what we will do? There are 3 times of 2, then we will take it as single term. Yes or no? Then this also will be same as of 3 times, then we will take it as single term. Then also it will, and what is the answer? 8. And you can say that 8 is a perfect cube of 512. Is it clear? Stood? Understood? Okay. 512 जो है वो क्या कहलाएगा? परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर। कैसा का नंबर कहलाएगा? परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर। समझ आया? अगर ये परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर नहीं होता तो इसको लिखने का तरीका भी अलग होता है, ठीक है। और बहुत ध्यान से एक बात याद रखेंगे बच्चे कि ये जो बेस है क्यूब का वो ऑलवेज 3 होगा क्यूब रूट में, समझ आया। अगर आप यहाँ मिस कर दे बेस लिखना तो उसको जनरली कौन सा रूट समझ आ जाएगा, स्क्वायर रूट। कौन सा रूट समझा जाएगा, स्क्वायर रूट। क्यों, क्योंकि यहाँ बेस ना लिखना मतलब बेस कितना माना जाता है, 2। यस और नो, ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी, ओके। देन वी विल टेक some more examples of cube root. Okay, then solve this one beta. Solve it. First of all we will remove decimal from here, okay. Then what will come in denominator, 1000. Yes or no beta? Okay. Then you have to identify